Hello there. So you want to know how you can completely uninstall itch.io from your Windows or Mac? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your itch.io application and go to library. One thing I want to make very clear is that you will have to uninstall all of your games manually, just like that. Otherwise, it's just not going to get uninstalled from your device. And once you've uninstalled your games itself, what you need to do is go to settings, go to apps, go to installed apps, and then go to your itch.io right over here. Click on this triple dot, click on uninstall, and then click on uninstall one more time. Once you've done that, it's going to simply go ahead and uninstall from your device. For your Mac, you can simply get into your applications. So inside of your Finder, go to applications and then right click on your itch.io and you can just delete it right there. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.